Hello and welcome. We're going to do hopefully a very pretty pour today. Hopefully, she says, because I've hit a love and hate relationship with the Dutch pour. So I love to add my own take on it, doing a Dutch pour, an Aussie kiss. So that's my intention today. But we will see how we go, because doing the Dutch pour, getting the paint to the exact right consistency that blows around the canvas nice and easily and looks as though it just flows and no problem, is very difficult actually. The ladies that do it and are good at it have got it down pat, and I just find that very hard to get the paint, my different kinds of paint that I've used, a consistently good blow around. But anyway, I just want to thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you being here for sure, and thank you so much to all those people that have subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't done so, please do so. This is a gold, metallic gold, mixed with burnt sienna or burnt? Oh, it's mixed with burnt sienna. So it comes this gorgeous, just lovely sandy golden look. It's beautiful. I love it. I really love it. So I will spread this out and not blow it with my dryer, because I've got too many other bits of work around that I don't want to get paint all over, so I don't want to risk it for a Swisskit, as I used to say in an ad. I can't remember when, it was probably years ago. Don't risk it for a Swisskit. I don't know what a Swisskit is. I have no idea, but I just remember the ad that said that. Yes, crazy lady. If you're new to acrylic pouring and you've never done it before, please binge watch videos, whether it be mine or other artists, because it is such a satisfying, therapeutic pastime. So it's really lovely thing to do in your own time, in your own art room, with friends, with your mama, sisters, husband, brothers, whoever wants to give it a go. It's really nice a really nice pastime. Now, I'm already a little bit worried about this colour, because it's obviously translucent in that it's see-through. You can see the canvas, so I'm hoping that when it dries off you won't, or I may have to blow some more paint further over it. Okay, that is the first of firsts. Let's go. I am going to do kind of a V down this particular painting, not right to the bottom, but so it's kind of looking autumny, isn't it? But whether it comes out autumny is another story. Oops-a-days. No worries. And now I'm going to go a real berry delicious. So yeah, it's kind of looking definitely Halloweenish, but we will see. So I'll put a bit of yellow in here. Hope that this doesn't turn to mud. Wish me luck. I've got some little bit of navy made up in here. Hello, Benson. Come in and see Mommy. Yeah, you come and see Mommy. Good boy. You are a good boy, aren't you? My beautiful big puppy dog, Benson. He's a lovely boy. He's now 7 months old, and he's nearly... Oh, look what I've done. He's nearly up to my waist. He's a standard poodle, and of course I've got Bindi, my Australian Shepherd, and they absolutely love each other, which is delightful. So I need to make up some more white. Okie doke. Yes, there will be pouring medium recipes in the drop down box underneath. I am just keeping everything crossed at this moment, fingers and all, that this is going to blow around nicely and not end up being a big mess. So, wish me luck. Hey, 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 hey. Shh. You're going out, go and see your sister. Go on, good boy. Go see your sister, that's it. Go on out and see your sister. He's barking at his sister outside like she's another dog intruding on the property. But here we go. Now I've got to really take this slow. It's only a small light dryer, but it's got a big blow, so I might just no, it needs to be higher. Then you go higher and it blows it everywhere. It's just gone into a million cells. It's got no silicone in this particular paint mix, but it has got Floetrol and glue in it, so that's very interesting, but not too keen. Don't like it. I don't like it. So I just don't like it. No, it is not floating my boat. Do not like it. So what do you do, hey? Do one big swipe over it. I'm gonna push on. I'm not gonna get defeated by this. I'm gonna push on. I'm gonna do. I don't like it. I know that I'll get. Oh, you should have. It's got some lovely spots to it, and then this is just messy. It's like Santa had a big vomit on it. I don't like it. So I'm gonna pour over it. If I can't get anything nice from it, then I will scrape the paint. I'm not having a good painting week this week. It is not working to plan, Jan, but you know, that's life, isn't it? And you've got to just try and work your way through hard situations. So it is a lesson in life. Definitely my paint journey is a lesson in life. Things that I want to walk away from and think, no, I want to throw in the towel, don't like that, it's not worked, and have a screaming match about. I've learnt to just push on, use a bit more paint. I've got it mixed, so use it, and it might turn from tragedy to magic, tragic to magic. And if it doesn't, you know, you tried. So it is definitely a lesson to be learned in life. Should I or shouldn't I add some black in there? Now I'm feeling like I should swipe with, maybe I'll just swipe this very thin layer of black. See what we come out with. I'll get my Swifty swipe. So this is my very crudely made Swifty swipe. I've got them, I just cut them from the soft plastic file divider, but having these angled handles is so much easier to swipe than anything else. So this one's gone a little bit bent the wrong way, probably like me, a bit bent the wrong way, but I'm going to try it. So you put your Swifty swipe in and you just take it nice and slow. See how much that black has taken over, that teeny tiny fine line of black can take over so much. Wowzers, trousers. So don't be afraid if there's something you don't like. Don't throw the towel in and think that didn't turn out. Not doing that again. Oh, it's terrible. Just try. Push through it. Balloon it. Swipe it. Do anything you like to it to try and get something you like. And if all else fails, then at least you can say, well, I tried and it didn't work out. So just give it a go. Everything I am doing today is gone not well, so just having one of those days, but I'm still enjoying myself. I'm out here in my art room. I've got my air conditioning on because it's a very hot day outside, even though it's very windy and blowy. I've had my cup of coffee. I'm going to go in for a bit of lunch and then I'll be back out here in my art studio. So I'm a happy happy Jilly. Well, I like more that look there than the very dark black. I might have to swipe through the black again. I don't like it being so dark here. I wonder if I add some little bit of gold. Oh, I'm going to play with it now. Go hard or go home. That's what I say. Go hard or go home. Just keep doing it. Just keep enjoying what you do. Ooh. Push that a little bit too hard and it's taken a bit of paint away right down to the canvas. So, but nothing that some balloon work can't fix. Like the gold coming into some very cute little cells there, so I definitely might add a little bit more. Just keep working it. Oh dear. Excuse me. Keep swiping it till you get something you're happy with. That was... Oops. It's getting a bit... I'm pulling it everywhere now. Let's take that right through. Wow. Certainly not what I had envisaged when I started, but it's kind of looking like a disaster and I may have to scrape it, but I'll just see what I can get from it, if anything. big balloon out. Get me big balloon. Get the big pink girl out. See what she can do. If nothing, then nothing ventured, nothing gained. Oh, yeah. Lovely. Press it in there, and I'll press it in there. So I press over here, and then press in the... That gold is giving some lovely shimmering effects. So that's not too bad at all. Oh, yeah. I like it. Oh, no, that's coming up very nice now. See, it is balloon magic. It really is, because if you love the balloon work like I do, then I just think it, you know, can bring something to life. I don't want to really go overboard with the balloon. You're all going, yep, right, Jilly, we know you too well. Because it's not really... Because there's a lot of metallic in there, it's sort of moulding in, which is fine by me. So it's not over ballooned, is it? That's not over ballooned. I like it. I'm going to leave it. I like the look here. I'm going to see how the balloon work dries. If it needs a little bit more when I come back after the paint's dried a bit, I will show you the end photos and you will see what I did to it at the end. So wait on for the photos. Thanks so much for joining me. I appreciate it. I appreciate it very much if you stuck with me up until now, because that was a bit of a crazy ride. From a Dutch pour, Aussie kiss, to a swipe, to balloon magic. Well, it's got the lot. So, there you go. Alright, until tomorrow, people. I put a video out every single day, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell. There's a video, I try to do something different all the time. I have lots of other videos there in my playlist, pouring over vases and doing cups and pouring out. I've even poured over a puppy dog, not a real one. So please, not a real one, just a ceramic one. So until next time, bye for now, take care.